hypercar performance and ultimate luxury on wheels. You get the all-new 2026 Brabus motorhome. This is not our normal camper van. It is our multi-million dollar luxury machine and wheels built to go anywhere in absolute style. From the makers of Brabus supercars comes the ultimate machine. Step inside and you see pure carbon fiber and premium leather. Walk up to the top floor and you see our beautiful master bedroom with a glass cabinet and LCD screen and a stunning view of the outside world. Look up and the premium ceiling design gives our premium feel. Every single detail here is crafted for ultimate comfort. Now look through the large windows at the beautiful outside views. Step into the luxury kitchen where premium design meets everyday life. A future of beautiful dining table and large windows for natural light. From luxury setup to smart story, everything is right here. This kitchen truly feels like our 5-star hotel experience. Now step inside the ultra luxury washroom. The modern design and beautiful lights look so good. It feel are just like our private spa for rest. Everything in this bathroom is perfectly designed. It has the perfect touch of luxury. You will love this beautiful space. Clean, modern and very comfortable. Now look at this beautiful car. The wheel look great and ready for the road. The front look is very stylish and clean. Look at the beautiful top and front design. The camera move back to show it premium look. And now we say the standing details again. Moving down to see more. Look at this final design.